So unexpected walking with my hubby. And what is this, my love?
What's that? What's what, honey?
In the park.
It's a puddle. What are you talking about?
Park. Yes, Millennium Park. Millennium Park.
Look out in the mud. Don't step in the mud.
Yeah. It's really muddy, my love. Yeah.
Be a nice walk for you. You haven't been out here in a long time.
I know. It's like my nose is easy to get cold.
Well, I'm glad you took your mask with.
Yeah. It's like I used to eat a warm breathing.
Breathing.
Yeah. my husband.
Now look at Three Sisters through the trees and everything. Look how beautiful that is.
Oh, it's the camera is focused on us.
Right there.
Hold a moment, please.
Now you can get Three Sisters. See it?
Yeah, but very small on the camera because of the woods.
You're over here. Oh, okay.
Yeah. This mountain is clear here. The Three Sisters because we are down the bottom. Oh, it's cold. You know, guys, it's cold for me. The wind is blowing. It's cold. What is the temperature, my love?
They did this backwards. They should have put that on that side. Because, look, it's right through the middle of the number. Look.
Oh, yeah. After 2 minutes, it will be moving. I am like a cow.
Lisa, I'll hold that for a minute. You do up yours.
Yes.
Okay?
Talk to yourself. Come here.
Oh, here's a truck coming down.
It's cold, guys. Even there is a sun. Especially if the wind is blow. It's cold.
And the wind doesn't have to blow very hard. Just 4 or 5 miles an hour. But it's just the air around is cold. So the wind picks it up. So it may be like 2 below. But it feels like 5 or 6 below.
Yeah.
Because that little bit of wind just drives the cold air forward. And it actually feels much colder than it is.
Mm-hmm. My nose is cold.
You're going to get a sinus headache, Rita.
That's why I cover my nose. And my head as well.
Yes. Hi there.
Hopefully
Now,
we can have the elk, my love.
When I was here last week, the elk were right in the bushes here.
Really?
You have to look, yeah. They were right over here.
Mm-hmm.
And then down here, there were some more. And so, here comes a garbage truck.
Garbage truck.
Look in there. It'd be nice if we saw. Right down at the end of the road, you'll see a green building. And because we're up in the mountains, everything here is separated. They separate the tins, the cardboard, the glass, everything. And they recycle it. And so that there's never any hard garbage that's laying around or smells or anything like that. They do a very good job. They charge us here, over and above taxes. They charge for wastewater. They give you a certain amount of water free, and then they charge you. We have more water here than you can ever imagine. But they charge you for all these extra services. Last month we paid $250 for those services, and then it's about $2,500 a year taxes, and we have an 1,800 square foot house. So, you know, by the time you finish, it's about $6,000.
A month.
No, a year.
A year?
$6,000 a month, please.
That's a
My wife's math is not good.
They are not here, my love.
Don't say that, Lisa. The elk are.
Yes. The pine tree. What kind of pine tree is that, my love?
Those are fir.
A fir.
Yeah.
Fir.
Pine trees have like cones on them and stuff, Lisa. So we'll probably see. Oh, your hands are cold, man. Put it in my pocket. Yeah, put it in my pocket.
No, I want to hold you. I want to hold your jacket.
Oh, okay. There,
Just hide your.
Okay?
Yeah. Guys, malamig yung kamay ko. Malamig yung kamay ko.
Yeah, the other day they were right there, Lisa. And then 2 more back there.
So my husband talking about the elk that he saw last day or the other day?
About 3 or 4 days. I saw quite a few actually in different places. There's another service truck.
So that building ahead of us is waste building?
Yeah, that's for all the garbage that we produce in Canmore. It comes here and they separate it all. And they separate all the cardboard, all the glass, all the tins, all that stuff. It's all separated. Give me a hand.
I think all the elks are hiding. They don't want sunshine.
Well, I'm sure they like the sunshine. They like it where it's warm, but, you know, they have all the mountains behind us and everything. So they've got lots of places to wander around. And there's another truck, Lisa.
Yeah, I think they're going to collect garbage.
Yeah.
Those truck is the garbage truck to collect each building or commercial building here, houses, or every street, because every street we have our own garbage bin. Yeah. You're lucky in terms of elk, my love, in terms of wild animals. They really see you.
Yeah, you just gotta be at the right place at the right time. And you see them.
What's that noise?
Oh, we know it.
It's like a big noise of...
Sounded more like
A dog.
construction type.
Ah, okay. Hi guys, another dump truck. What happened to the water here before? Remember, there's a lot of water here before?
I guess it's drain, Lisa.
Or they sucked it?
No, I don't
Because
think
they're going to use this one.
No, this is just a low spot, so instead of having the water sitting up around the building, it goes to its lowest place, which is right here.
Okay.
So it keeps the water away from all the buildings and everything. We'll just go in here. I did this yesterday by myself.
You don't
Or
allow
day
us.
before yesterday.
Why if there is a...
Everybody can walk in here, Lisa. They don't want vehicles going in
Okay.
because people get silly and they drive their cars in here and the earth is soft. And this is more of a hiking trail.
Okay.
So we'll just go in together. Okay, Pumpkin?
Yes. Careful.
Well, I did this, Lisa. You're the one who has to be careful. Stay on the upper one here, Lisa. It's on. You want me to hold that hand?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
So in this side, there is a ranch there, a small ranch. I think that's our private owner, right?
Yeah. In the summertime, there's horses. Remember a couple of years ago we came here, Lisa, when you first came here?
Yeah.
And all the elk were in there?
Yeah, drinking the water for the horse.
Yeah.
They're sharing with the... And they're inside the ranch. You can go
Here,
to...
here, Lisa. Right here.
Yeah. Got a lot of snow.
Move on the high side.
Huh.
Always the high side. The water goes to the low side.
It's still ice.
Here, walk behind me.
Okay, go ahead. I will follow the leader. So the river now is melting. So the flow of the water is calm. And of course it's getting high tide. It's like high tide.
The river right now is pretty low, actually.
That's not low?
Yes, the river is really low, Lisa.
They're just hiding here.
We may be around. We may be lucky and see that.
Yeah. Someone fishing over there right now?
Yeah.
Okay, I will show you. Yeah. See some kids are fishing. Put it, put it.
Follow me.
Yes, go ahead my love. So guys, maputik po talaga dito ngayon. So, kailangan mag-ingat-ingat. Kasi maputik. Maputik.
You should see this, Lisa. From last year,
Yeah.
if we look down here, you'll see where the water, when it was really strong, it came down here.
Oh yeah, it's shallow right now. Maybe this coming summer, my love, if the snow is melting. Yeah,
Where the water took all the
trees.
and all the soil away, see?
Mhm.
So under here is probably hollow.
Yeah. Oh, it's cracked, my love. Let's go.
No, come on.
No, I don't want to fall on the river.
I got a hold of you. Before you fall, I would fall in for you.
Oh, so how romantic. How romantic my husband is. Before you fall, I will hold you. And I will fall first. Putik, my love. Putik.
Here, over here, Lisa. Hi. Always go high. We'll go right around everything.
Dinala na ako dito sa kasagbutan. Kasagbutan, my love.
What's that mean?
Kasagbutan is bush.
Oh,
In the bush. Damuhan in Tagalog ha, kasagbutan in Bisaya. Kasi iniwasan niya yung putik. At saka,
here, follow me.
putik, my love, is mud.
Oh,
Yeah,
well, there's lots of mud because that
be
snow,
careful.
that snow is not a drum. I mean, we keep saying it's the last snowfall and it keeps rain.
Yeah. So as of now, that is not really...
Now you can see how clear the river is. Can you see it?
Yeah.
In the camera? The rocks, you know?
Yeah, Yeah.
How pure that water
See,
is.
you can see it. It's running below.
That water is so pure,
Mhm.
so clean.
Very clean. But you cannot swim there.
No, it's way too cold.
So, this is a walk with my husband. In other way, because the last time I walked with Ate Marian, it's on the top area, which is the bridge. Here is no bridge at all. It's just for people walking with a trail. And here before last year, there is a big tree
See,
here.
if you look, Lisa, you put the camera here, you can see we're just standing on some soil. Three sisters, eh?
Yeah,
You got them perfect.
yeah. Pasensya na guys, nalubat yung phone ko. So, ang ginamit namin is yung phone ng mister ko. Let's go, my love. So, still have a good shot, right?
Yeah.
A good view.
This is where I walked the other day, Lisa, down here.
Alone, right? While I'm working.
Come behind me, Lisa. That's really muddy out there.
See? It's really muddy, according to my husband.
This is nice, man.
Yeah, it's like refreshing when you walk here. It's so scary here. It's like cracking the earth.
Well, here you can see along the edge now. When we were out there before, Lisa,
Mhm.
now you can see how much is falling in. Look,
Yeah.
see all the soil?
Look at the soil
This is
below
all,
us.
there's nothing below there.
And down the bottom, it's hollowed. And we're just standing on the top on it. It's a little
really-
bit scary.
But if you stay over here, it's still solid. But when the water gets going, when the snow is first melting, the water is coming through here. And the volume, the water where you see down there is right here, right here. The water is right there. Look,
Yeah,
look where it
this
took it
coming
out.
summer. Look at that, my love. It's like the waters, especially this coming summer, guys.
The water is another almost 2 meters higher than it is
Yeah.
there.
It's
And you
just-
can hear it going. And it's just taking the soil away because all the trees are disappearing because it's taken the soil from around the roots. So here we are. We'll just go in here a little way because it's pretty soggy. So Lisa, you follow me, honey.
Yes, my love.
See, look,
Yeah.
Look
So
at
another tree.
just undermines the roots and the
Yeah.
tree falls in the water and away
Yeah.
it goes.
So
Yeah, here it gets really.
I think no. Still icy here.
Watch it, Lisa, because you're going to walk right into some water. So be
Yeah.
careful. Honey.
So ito yung place that I like walking during summer because it's a lot of shade. Sun protection. And there's a lot of trees around. So this is my husband called Underwood. My love, look at this tree.
Which tree?
This
No,
one.
a lot of them collapse, Lisa. Lots of them collapse this year.
No, someone cut. Look at that. This so.
No, first they fall, Lisa, and then they cut them so they don't block the trail. But you can see the roots on the bottom of this.
Yeah, we can go here
Yeah, we can go here if you want to look.
along the river, down.
I don't think that's...
Let's try. If
No, the only reason I'm saying that, Lisa, is I think that the ground here is not really too stable, so we got to watch it. See all the roots, Lisa?
Yeah.
Look,
yeah,
look, all these trees fell down. See, look behind you.
this is the trees. And another one.
All of them. And I don't want to walk out
Yeah.
on the edge anymore.
Oh, you're scared of
I'm not
edge.
scared, Lisa. It's just that I don't think you'd die, but you'd get so cold you'd probably be in the hospital.
Yeah.
Because you get hypothermia.
Hyperthermia.
Yeah. See, you can see how many trees. Look, here is no good, Lisa. That's too muddy. We'll go this way. Come on.
Okay. So again, my love, be careful.
Well,
Don't
I
hurt
want it to
yourself.
snap up and hit me.
No.
Come on.
Let's go to the AC way. Guys, hanap kami ng ibang daanan. Hanap kami ng ibang daanan, guys. Kasi doon nga, maputik.
See, here, Lisa.
Yeah, I see the water. Habang nagme-melt kasi yung snow, naging tubig. At yun ang dahilan na maputik yung daan. Kung sa Bisaya pa, nahimong yanang og. Sa ba ng mud? Oy, lapok. Lapok kayo, lapok. No, we went there last year.
Now, I think we should go back now, Lisa, because you're going to run out of camera time, too.
Okay.
Okay?
So guys, we decide to head back. Because here under the woods, it's really muddy and waters. A lot of what do you call that, my love? The water is
Frozen?
Not
Slushy?
water. Slushy.
That's half snow, half water.
Yeah.
Called slush.
Slushy. Half snow, half water. Like this one, oh. So, mahirap na mabasa yung shoes. Tapos, lalamigin ka. Hindi mo na-enjoy yung walking mo kasi nilalamig ka na eh. Yung feet mo, it's so cold. The water plus matamaan ng hangin. Oh. Finish na.
Look out here, see?
Finish na. Oo. See? So, tapos, hirap kaya dito maglaban ng sapatos kasi malamig. Except lang kung gamitan mo ng warm water. Pero hindi kasi uso dito yung maglaban ng sapatos eh. Finish na agad.
You should save some camera time now, Lisa, because you might see elk,
Yeah.
you know, and that would be really nice for them to see.
So guys, I'm going to turn up. It's a beautiful in your camera. Look at the mountain over there. You see that? You see that, my love?
Yeah, it's beautiful. You can see how the houses here, they pick out the flat spots
Yeah.
and they build the houses because there's soil down there instead of rock.
Yeah.
And so you have to really take advantage of these building spots. So all of the houses here,
It's
What?
expensive to build.
yeah, watch it here, Lisa.
Yeah.
Again, we're really slushy.
I know.
Yeah,
It's here. It's here. It's here. Follow me.
Go in. Watch it right there.
Oh, look at the dog, my love.
Yeah.
Swimming on the river. Wow. She's so cute. Wow, look at the dog. Look at that dog. I think he feel warm, right? Look at swimming. Oh,
Oh,
believe
here
me,
he comes.
he can do it. Oh, strong dog. See you. Have a good day. Look at fishing people over there.
Yeah.
So they're starting fishing even we are still in starting springtime. Do you think they can catch? The water flow is so strong, my love, the current.
Oh yeah, no, these fish go up and down here, Lisa. It doesn't bother them. They loved it. And it's cold. Fish love
I
cold
think
water.
the current will be opposite to them.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, Lisa. Doesn't matter. Fish don't have a problem. They go like the salmon, Lisa.
Uh-huh.
The salmon go over cataracts. They go over where there's they have to jump up maybe 3 or 4 feet up to the next plateau.
Oh.
So they really go and then they just come right out of the water and they land on top of the cataract and then they swim some more to lay their eggs.
Wow. To produce their eggs.
Yep. That's it.
Don't go there, it's heater, it's more cold. Here are exposed. So as you observe, Guy, under the trees still have a lot of snow because they take longer to melt. It's because they are not exposed to the sun. Unlike beside here at the river, and the area that we walk, the trail, it's the snow is already melt. And on the other side there is really a lot of snow beside the river because that is how many feet is that, my love?
That's ice, Lisa.
That is already ice.
Maybe
It's like
over a foot of ice.
it's like 2 feet.
25 centimeters of ice.
Yeah, so it's take time to melt as well because they are already frozen and ice and it's more than foot, so it's not like magic. Even there is a sunshine, but
You should save a little bit of time on your camera, Lisa. You might get lucky.
yeah. Okay.
Go on the outside. Hi.
Hi. So nice view here. My love. In this area. Kaya guys, maputik-putik ang daan. Ito, putik. Maputik talaga siya. Kaya, tabi-tabi. Tingnan mo yung isa doon, oh. Tingnan mo yung isa doon, oh. Naglalakad sa kabila. Ako dito din sa kabila.
Turn it off, Lisa.
Yeah.
Turn it off, Lisa.
So guys, I will save the battery because if we can see an elk, I will take a video because my phone is already low bat. So thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and click the bell button for notifications for my upcoming video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye and God bless.